Hey, this is Timothy Booker with Evernote Ninja, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to create notebooks. Notebooks is one way to organize your notes in Evernote. The other way is with tags, and we're going to go over the pros and cons of both approaches in future episodes. For now, let's create a simple notebook by going to the left-hand pane. You're going to see the word notebooks and a downward facing triangle. Click on the triangle. You'll be presented with the words new notebook. Click on that. And we're going to enter a name for our notebook. In this case, we're going to enter travel. Click on save. Now we see in the left-hand pane here our new notebook, which is empty. So let's fill our new notebook with some notes. So I'm going to click on first notebook, and you're going to see that I have two checklists, one for international and one for domestic travel. So let's go ahead and move these into our new notebook. So there's two ways to move notes. The first is to simply drag and release, or drag and drop as they say. Simply click on the note, drag it with the mouse over the name of your new notebook, which should turn gray, and release. Now what you're going to see here is a number next to your new notebook, the number 1 in this case, and it represents the number of notes that are currently living in your notebook. So here we have the note that we just dragged into our new notebook. Let's drag the other one in there, or let's move it. The other way to move a note into your notebook is to simply go to the top here, and what you're going to see is the name of the notebook that the note currently lives in this case first notebook, and we want to move it to travel. So let's choose travel from the drop down list box. Now watch the side here. So the number just changed from 1 to 2, 2 representing 2 notes. Now we can see both of our checklists in the new notebook, international and domestic. Okay, so that's how you move notes. Let's say that you don't like the name of your notebook. You can simply choose rename from the drop down list box, and you can enter a new name for your notebook. Click on save. Now instead of travel, it's called travel checklist. Let's say that you created a notebook earlier and you want to trash it. Simply click on the downward facing arrow and choose delete from the drop down list box. So one thing to note about this is there is one note already living inside this notebook. Now when you choose delete, it warns you that it's going to also delete all of the notes inside of your notebook. So let's go ahead and say yes. So now that's gone. Okay? So that's how you create notebooks, rename them, and delete them. I hope that was useful for you, and I hope to see you at the next episode. Thank you.